Discover how thousands of YouTubers are making a full-time income. Go to beatoolboss.com or click the link in the description.
Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this quick video, I'm going to share with you why I use PicMonkey to create all of my graphics, especially my YouTube thumbnails. Now, as I'm talking, I'm going to put up on the screen a few of the thumbnails that I created with PicMonkey. Alright, now if you're interested in getting started with PicMonkey, I'll put a link below. You can start absolutely free and create pretty much all of the things I'm showing you right now. And underneath that, I'm going to put a link to PicMonkey's actual YouTube page, and that's where they have a ton of tutorials that'll teach you how to do pretty much whatever you want to do. All right, but real quick, the main reason why I use PicMonkey is it's easy. It is super easy. I have no sort of arts design degree or nothing like that. It's just one of the programs that once you get it, it's pretty much self-explanatory, but there's tutorials everywhere, and once you watch these tutorials, you realize, like, oh my god, this is super easy. So a lot of people use PicMonkey as an alternative to Photoshop, because a lot of people, they look at Photoshop as being pretty I'll just say difficult to learn, but with PicMonkey, it's not that. A lot of other people look at Canva, right? And Canva's a very popular free service that you can start with for free. And I tried it a little bit before, just a little bit, but I just like PicMonkey. And I don't think PicMonkey get talked about enough when it comes to creating graphics, because the new version of PicMonkey that if you join, that's what you're gonna get. It is phenomenal. It truly is. You could do pretty much anything, as far as any ideas you got in your head for a thumbnail or for flyers or for just any graphics online. You can pretty much do it with PicMonkey, and you can do a lot of it absolutely free. Now, I personally got the upgraded membership, which is like 12 bucks a month, which is well worth it. Thousands of images already you can use in there. But the super cool feature that I like is, if you see with all the photos I put up, it has that that outline that you can just automatically do. They got automatic background removal for any image that you put in there. It automatically just takes you out of it, and then you can put your little outline around it, which a lot of people use, and it really makes your thumbnail stand out, right? So this is why I use PicMonkey, and I'm gonna continue to use it. It's super easy, super affordable, or you can just use the free version of it and create some cool stuff. So if you want to check it out for yourself and sign up for free, link below. And if you want to check out some tutorials once you get signed up, go to the link underneath that, get started and start making some dope thumbnails for your YouTube channel. Alright, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, like, share, all that good stuff, and I will see you in the next video.